There we go. Hey guys, so I've got a roll of crescent dough. I guess sometimes you just gotta pound it against the side of a table. Okay, so we've got this rolled out. Just cut each one down the perforation. We have these split up. I've got these Cadbury cream eggs. Eggs are expensive right now, so I'm gonna try to make a crescent dough recipe using these chocolate eggs, which honestly are just about as expensive as the regular eggs right now. Let me know what the egg prices are where you are. Because right now they're about, I don't know, $6 to $8 for a dozen. So expensive. These are like, I don't know, a little less than $1 a piece. So, go ahead and peel all that off. Perfect. Now all you gotta do is take one of these crescent roll pieces and just roll it up. Just roll the whole egg into the biscuit. Doesn't have to look pretty. I'm just gonna roll it up just like so. And set this aside. We're gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. And once we have these Cadbury cream eggs all wrapped up in our Pillsbury crescent dough rolls, just like that. Parchment paper lined sheet. We're just gonna pop these right on top, just like so. Got a little bit of an egg wash, and we're just gonna brush the tops of these with that beaten egg. Just like so. This is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, they actually even look like eggs. They're all shiny. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one down the middle. Take a look. Like a little biscuit. People won't even know. You just tell them it's a breakfast biscuit. And then when they cut this open, there's an egg inside. So good. Okay, perfect for Easter. The hot cocoa bun is really, really good. Let's make some.